fucking Pokemon addicts.
Oh, what is there? It's giving birth. I'm giving birth to a new life. It's eggs. I gave life to some eggs. Executor. Just to show you some what I do here in my neighborhood. And I hope you stay home. There's no way you coming here. Because you better stay home in this temperature. It's so cold. But not for me. You know, I'm used to it. This is what I do all night long. There are some people coming out from the nightclub, coming out from the bars. That I will not allow. Simply, I will not. Are we clear? Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have here. I got the Voltor. Ah, yes. There you go. Easy throw. Only Ultra Balls left. That's the only ball I use. As you can see. No Pokeballs, no fucking Great Balls. Ultra Balls. You catch with every throw. I'm here with my gym. This gym right here. And you can see some blue people from Team Mystic have come there. You see that pineapple tree, and it only takes a couple of strikes and they're dead. Just like that. Very fast, and this gym will be mine. Our next one is Aerodactyl. Very big rocky flying thing. Its special ability is ready, you can see. I will use it now. There's a half HP gun for the Pinsir, and Pinsir is already considered out from the gym. As you can see, it still has some blue in it, but very soon it will be only yellow gym. And if you think where my name comes from, Syntherisaurus, well, it's like Venusaurus, but it's a Syntheri instead of Venus. This is me, Syntherisaurus. If you can see it. And when you look, I look just like the guy in the picture. Every day is my birthday because every day I get so much candy from the fucking rats I catch. Every rat I catch is one step closer to my ultimate goal, which is to be the best Pokemon trainer in the world, the ultimate ruler and suppressor of every gym I see. I don't even have to dodge the attacks. We level up, level 31, just like that. We are kicking the balls and getting some level ups. Ding! Today it's my 30th first birthday, and tomorrow will be the 30th second. So yes, new life has born. And this is Syntherisaurus representing Team Instinct, checking out for now. And see you later. When next time we catch some more Pokemon, I will show you more around my neighborhood. So you better watch out. And if you're Team Instinct, you're okay. But if you're not, you are not so fine. So yes, suck my balls.
The fucking